Hi all, Victoria here, and today I am very excited because I have my absolute favorite subscription box to unbox. As you can tell by the title probably, it is the FAB FIT FUN box. This is the Spring 2020 box. How many times can I say box in a row? And before I get into it, I just want to say hello and thank you for stopping by. If you enjoy subscription unboxings and the occasional haul, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you are not entirely familiar with FAB FIT FUN, it is a seasonal subscription service. They do beauty products as well as skincare, lifestyle, fitness, even like home decor and cooking products, a bunch of just really fun items. And it is $49.99 per box. However, it is only every 3 months, so it only comes out every March, June, September, and December, and you get 8 to 10 full-size products in each box, and each box is guaranteed to have a value of at least $200. So it sounds expensive, but it's a pretty good deal, and like I said, it's only 4 times a year. And this is my third box. I'm super excited for it. The first one that I got was the fall, and then I got the winter one, and I absolutely love those. So I'm really hoping to love this one, even though I'm not as much of a spring and summer person. So I was kind of like apprehensive on what kind of products they would have, if there were anything that would be of interest to me, because with the winter and fall, it was very easy. They had like a scarf, they had blankets and slippers, things like that, and so I was kind of like, I don't know what to expect, but the choice items had me excited, and so I'm hoping that the items that I didn't get to choose are equally as exciting to me. And just to clarify on the whole choice thing, you do get to choose between 3 and 5, I believe, items each box. However, how many choices you get depends on whether or not you are a select member, and which basically means that you pay for the year in advance, and that means that you get 5 customization opportunities for the box. If you pay season to season, which I do, you only get to choose 3. And in my experience, I do think that they do a pretty good job of picking out items for you based on the questionnaire that you fill out when you sign up. And I think that's all I have to say about it. Oh, add-ons. They have a thing called add-ons, like a lot of other beauty subscription services have. Around the time that you choose what items that you would like in your box, you get to participate in the add-on sale. So they have a bunch of different products from brands that they usually feature in their boxes, and they have items for super discounted prices, which is pretty cool. God, my hair's tangled. Sorry. I look crazy because, well, I just look crazy anyway on a regular basis, but it's pretty gloomy and humid outside, and I just walked the dog, and then my hair got super frizzy, and I'm too lazy to do something about it, so I don't know. But anyway, add-ons. I was kind of late to the sale, so the couple things that I had my eye on had already sold out, so I was about to just not get anything. I was just like, okay, that's fine. But then I saw this one item, and it's really ridiculous, but also it's kind of fun. So this is the one item that I got out of all the luxury, beautiful high-end products that I could have gotten. I got this wireless avocado charger. Finally get into the actual unboxing, and I do just want to say that the box is really cute. They always have really cute boxes. They're always super fun and colorful and super on theme for the season. And I'm not a big butterfly person. I get why I'm not complaining, because I totally understand butterflies are very on theme with spring, but I have this irrational fear of butterflies. So I was kind of like, when I saw the boxes, but like I said, they were so beautifully colored that I was like, I don't even care. And I've seen the yellow, or it's kind of like a gold color, and I really liked that. And then I saw that they also had a purple, and I was kind of hoping that I would get that one because purple is my favorite color, but I hadn't seen this green color before, and I'm really glad that I got it because I think it's super pretty. So that's just a good look at the box. Oh my god. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Look how cute these colors are. This is like a periwinkle, and then that pretty green again. So I don't know. I'm not a fan of butterflies, but I definitely want to try to find a use for this box because it's so cute. First thing that we have is the little magazine. Every FAB FIT FUN box comes with one of these, and I really enjoy them. They include the information and the pricing on the products that you receive in the box, as well as they're kind of it's the same one for every box, so it'll have all of the product information, even on the products that you didn't get. And it also is very much like a magazine. It just has different, suggestions on how to use it. So we have the little thing, and I will be referencing this to let y'all know pricings. I should have got my calculator out. I'm going to start off with an item that I picked out and I am most excited for. As soon as I saw the spoiler for this back in like January, I was like, I need to be able to choose this, and I just need it in my life. And it is this gravity weighted sleep mask. So we have the gravity weighted sleep mask. It says catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. And it is retail value of $39.99. It's pretty, you know, expensive, but it's on par, I think, with most weighted blankets. And I have a weighted blanket. My husband got me one for Christmas and I love it. So like I said, I'm super excited for this, and I really like that it also blocks out light, because I have a problem with, like, once it's light outside, I cannot sleep well, which, I mean, maybe I shouldn't be sleeping when it's light outside. I think it's very evenly distributed, so it doesn't feel too heavy on the face if you're somebody who's worried about that. I'm not seeing where it says how much it weighs, but I do want to say that I saw or heard somewhere that it only weighs 1 pound. And then another cool feature is that this covering does unzip, so you can take out the weighted part and then you can wash this outer shell. Very excited to use this. And the next item that I pulled out is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon by This Works. So it says use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. That's what it looks like. And it says a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So I think it's just a lotion that it says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. How a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cranb, camelina, sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve your skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender. I love lavender. Vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. So I don't know if you can tell or if I've mentioned it before, but I do love any kind of like sleep enhancing or sleep promoting products. And it's not even that I have trouble sleeping or sleeping well. Like I just love getting a good sleep. I'm all about improving my sleep game any chance I can get. Ooh, and this is very heavily lavender scented, which I really love. I love anything with lavender in it. I'm about it. But if you're not somebody who enjoys lavender, then maybe this would not be the product for you. And this product has a retail value of $40. So already we're like at $80-ish. $80.99. No, $79.99. Math is hard. Next, I pulled out the I don't know if it's Purlisse or Purlisse Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. It says infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid, this polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. So that's cool. I like masks, and I've gotten into skincare more recently. This is also a very cute box. We have the watermelons and it's pink and shiny. I really like that. It's very springy. And same thing with the packaging. This is what it looks like. And again, I just want to smell it. I shouldn't be opening all these things, but is this like a scrub or... Well, it says polishing peel, so I guess it's like a peel mask. This is what it looks like. And I don't know. Ooh, I think it is like exfoliating because it's very grainy, if y'all can tell. And now I don't know what I'm going to do with it on my hand. The retail value of this is $35. Ooh, yes. Okay, and I was hoping to get these. These are the Silicone Straws by Chic and Tonic. And it's just 4 silicone straws, brush cleaner, and a plastic case. It's just 4 very spring colored straws and a brush cleaner. And then it comes with this cute little carrying case, and it says this set, okay, well, I was just gonna read the description, but it just says the same thing. I saw these in like different promos and I was hoping that I would get them. I have like metal straws, and then I have the like plastic straws, but the ones that you can wash and reuse. So carrying case, and then I think these are very bendy, as you can see, they're silicone, so I think you can just fold them up and put them in like that. That's how I've seen people do it so far. Like I said, this is very cute and very portable, can easily fit in a purse or in a backpack, and it seems to expand just fine without any creases. I kind of tore them out of the box like an animal, but I do think the box is really cute as well. And these are $15. Next, I have the AG Haircare Fast Food leave-on conditioner. It just says moisture, so I guess leave-in conditioner. So what it looks like. And dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. So that's good. I definitely need that because, well, my hair is due for a trim, but with school, I haven't had the time to go to my hairstylist. And I'm gonna do the thing where I open things and smell them. I don't know. It's a very soft smell. It's not super fragrant, but I can't place the scent. It's a good smell. I'm trying to place it, but I'm very excited for this because I definitely could use it right now. And it says that this is $24. And then we have Jobaneria, Marianella, Rosewood, and Litzy Cubeba body oil with mongongo and pomegranate oil. I'm gonna read the description while I fight with this thing. Moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. What does it do though? So on here it says our Rosewood and Litzy, I'm not going to read that again. Body oil is a cold press infusion of amazingly beneficial 100% pure oils and vitamins. This undiluted, luxurious, restorative, and anti-aging formula will moisturize, soothe, and replenish your skin the way nature intended, with no harsh chemicals or additives, leaving you with a beautiful and healthy youthful glow. But how do you use it? Okay, or not. That's cool. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's a fat drop. All right. It's kind of citrusy. It's on the citrusy side. Oh, okay. It's like all over. Is it possible to just like rub this in like lotion on my hands? I don't know. Still kind of confused on how you use it and what exactly it's supposed to do besides good things. So I will probably have to do a bit more research on this product just to see, you know, what exactly I'm supposed to be doing with this, but it does look very fancy, I have to say. And it says this retails for $68. Wow, okay, that's very expensive. This is the penultimate item in the box, and this is actually something that I chose, and it is, I should probably take it out, but it's this Donny cardigan. This was a customization option, so this is what I chose. I know in this category, this was kind of like my second choice because they had this set of West Elm bowls that's actually in the catalog, and I'm like, they're so cute, and that's what I really wanted. And it was a repeat item. They've had it in the box before, and I think I got on like literally like 2 minutes after the customization opened, and they were already sold out, so I don't know if they were taken up when the annual members chose, or if that many people who are season to season just jumped on real quick and bought them. But I ended up choosing this cardigan, and it's the Donny ribbed sweater coat, sorry, not cardigan, sweater coat. Transition into spring with this relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. And it's kind of a one size fits all. Well, they had like the regular size, and then they had the plus size, so I ended up choosing the regular size. It does look a bit different than it did online. Looking at it now, this is how it looked online. It looked very kind of like a solid beige, whereas in real life there's like more like prominent stripes to it. I do get cold quite often, and it looked like oversized and comfortable, so this is what it looks like. And it does have 2 pockets at the end. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Am I gonna stand on my chair like a dumbass? Oh god, that was a bad idea. Okay. I'm trying to show the length, but okay, we're not doing that. It is pretty long. It's almost knee length on me, and I'm about 5'2". Just for reference, if you're curious, probably nobody cares. So this is just a full size, full body look at the cardigan. Excuse the mess in the back, y'all. This is like an in progress room. And it's definitely like an oversized fit, and like I said, it is almost knee length. I'm just gonna keep this on. And this is $99. Okay, that's a price I would never pay for a cardigan. Like, very few like single items of clothing I think would I pay $99 for. They're always sending bougie stuff that I would never buy like on my own, but I do appreciate having it, and I will feel very fancy. And the last item, very excited for, and this is my last customization pick, and it is, or they are the, let me find them, CalPack set of 3 packing cubes in, I think I got Tutti Frutti, because there was 2 options, and I think the one that I picked was Tutti Frutti. Who are you? Identify yourself. But this is what they look like. They're packing cubes, and pretty sure that this was the one that was called Tutti Frutti because it literally has pictures of fruit on it. And it is a set of 3, like I said. This is the biggest one, and then the other 2 are in the inside, like little nesting dolls. They have a small, medium, and a large, and it's super cute, super springy, and even summery. It just has little citrus fruits on it, and this has a retail value of $40, and I do take trips occasionally, so I thought that these would be pretty useful for that because I'm terrible at packing, so maybe this will make me more efficient. Okay, so that was everything in my box. It was 8 items. Like I said, every box is supposed to have 8 to 10 full-size items and a retail value of at least $200. And I crunched the numbers according to what they have listed on their little magazine thing, and I calculated a total retail value of $320.99 for this box. So all in all, pretty good. We definitely hit and then overshot the $200 retail value. And so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are a FAB FIT FUN subscriber, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of your box and what you think of the products, if you've tried any of the products that I got, and what you think of those. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.